practice up to the sun, down to the earth, we will learn how to stay grounded. Feel your base and open yourself to the new day, new opportunities, new energies.
Place your hands in a prayer position at your chest. Put your feet wider than your shoulders, pressing into the earth like the roots of a blossoming flower. Try to do this practice barefoot to feel the deep connection between your body and the earth. Feel the solid ground beneath you, your foundation, your home. Inhale, raise and open your arms wide like petals unfurling at dawn. Stretch your spine and look up to the golden sun and the endless sky. Smile into the rays of a new day. Feel the warmth of the sunlight on your face. Whisper softly to yourself, welcome new day, new energy, new opportunities. I am blooming. I am a radiant flower. Exhale, bend your knees and bring your hands back to the prayer position. Look down to the earth. Embrace gratitude for all you have. Bless your family, your friends, your home, your life. Universe holds you in a loving embrace. You are safe. You are loved. Repeat 9 times or as many times as your heart desires. Why this practice nurtures you? It harmonizes the yang energy of the sun with the yin energy of the earth, creating balance within your body and emotions. It helps you to stay grounded while filling you with fresh energy. As your heart opens, confidence blossoms, allowing to move through your day with delight, vitality, and ease. Remember, you are a radiant flower, rooted in strength, blossoming with the grace. On the last movement, after lifting your arms to the sky, wrap yourself in a gentle embrace, as if you are cradling the most delicate and beautiful flower, because you are. Whisper loving and supporting words to yourself. I am radiant. I am strong and graceful, a flower dancing in a wind. I am blooming with my all beauty. Choose your own affirmation that resonates with you. Take a moment to feel the warmth, strength, and light within you, like a flower in a full bloom. If you are going through a difficult time, place your hands over your heart and affirm to yourself, this will pass. I am strong. I am resilient, and I will bloom again. At the end of the practice, lift your hands up to the sky and stay tall and strong for a full minute. Hold the position, breathe deeply, smile, and affirm to yourself, I am confident, strong, and steady. Turn your palms up to the sun, allowing its warmth to recharge your body with light, energy, and vitality. Then gently bring your hands back to the prayer position, sealing the energy inside you. Take a moment to feel the warmth, strength, and light within you, like a flower in a full bloom. Blossoming Qi massage. Awaken your energy. Start this practice by warming your hands. Rub your palms together vigorously, feeling the heat build between them. This warmth is your own Qi, your energy, your vital life force, awakening in your hands, ready to nourish your body. Wake up your sexual energy by tapping your kidneys with your palms or fists. Your kidneys are the batteries of your body, the storehouse of your yin, your deep primal sexual energy. Start tapping your buttocks with your palms and tap down the back of your legs all the way to your feet. Tap up in the inside of your legs and thighs. Repeat this sequence 3 times. Tap your lower abdominal or dantian area. Start tapping the inside of your left arm from your shoulder down to your palm. Clap your palm together, stimulating energy flow to the hands. Turn your arm over and tap from the palm up to the shoulder. Tap your shoulder, then lift your arm and tap under your armpit, moving down the left side of your torso, then back up. This supports lymphatic drainage. Gently tap around your breasts to activate feminine energy, enhance circulation, stimulate lymphatic flow, and support breast health. Repeat this 3 times. Blossoming Qi massage enhances circulation, stimulates energy flow, and clears blockages within your body. Rub your palm together again, and then do the same with your right arm. Through gentle tapping and massaging, you awaken your vitality, life force, and sexual energy, releasing stored tension and negative emotions. Rub your hands together. Gently massage your face and your ears. With slow, loving strokes, glide your hands down your neck to release tightness. Tap your chest from top to bottom, awakening your heart and lungs. With a deep exhale, bend your body forward and release a powerful ha sound from your heart, letting go of all tension. Be as loud as you want. Imagine stress, tightness, stagnant energy, anxiety flying away with each exhalation. Tap your chest until your body fully releases any emotional weight. Remember that with each touch, you activate your energy, allowing it to flow freely. Feel fully alive, vibrant, and ready to embrace your day with radiant Qi.